Which of the following is true about internal data values? The options are, they are quantities in that they allow simple forms of computation like addition and subtraction. They do not support multiplication or division. Centigrade temperatures are internal data values, and all of the above. Yes, you got it right. It's all of the above. The answer is all of the above. These internal data values are discrete data values also. So what is an internal data value or discrete data value? In the measurement of scale or scale of measurement, we have nominal, we have internal, and then we have other scales also. For example, in a basic terms, internal data is data retrieved from inside the company to make decisions for successful operations, that you know already. But the actual internal data values can only be defined when we understand the type of data. The types of data are defined into two parts. Where number will not be there, it will be categorical or qualitative. Wherever the numbers will be there, it will be numerical or quantitative. In qualitative, we have nominal and ordinal. For example, if you have whole world, you divide them into category males and females. So males and females are mutually exclusive labeled categories. They are called nominal. And when you call as ordinal, then you say for example, the food is very good, very bad, normal, moderate. So these are all the orders which you can give. So these are not categories. These are just certain values with order. And now comes the internal data values, which are also called as the discrete values. Now we are talking about movies of 1990, movies of say 2020. Now these years, from where you have started, there is no zero. From which year are you trying to find out? You know the interval, 1990 and 2020. You can subtract and find out the interval. You can add and find out the interval. But these are discrete. These are interval values. They have no zeros at the start. That is how we call it as interval or discrete values, because it has no zero to start with. It has just the value which can be added and subtracted. They do not support multiplication, division. And for example, the centigrade temperatures are integrate data values, internal data values or discrete data value. Now if I say 30 degree and 60 degree, you won't ask whether it is centigrade or Kelvin, because if you are to find out the difference in Kelvin and in this centigrade, it will be 30 degree difference only. And you cannot find out 60 by 30 that the temperature is double. This is not possible in the discrete or interval values, because you don't have a true zero here.